of India. And in fact, one of the most important hubs for pharma industry in India is Hyderabad. For those of you who do not know, Telangana, in fact, is not just an important hub in India, but in fact, it is an important life sciences hub in the world. And the reason why I say that is because since we're just coming out of the pandemic, let me remind each and every one of you who's watching that 1/3 of human vaccines are actually produced from Hyderabad, globally, not India. In fact, 9 billion doses are produced, 9 billion doses of vaccines are produced from Hyderabad, and that accounts nearly to 1/3 of global vaccine production. So we are the vaccine capital of the world, not India alone. And then let me also add quickly, 40% of India's pharmaceutical production also happens from Hyderabad. And the third thing I'll quickly add also is that largest number of US FDA-approved manufacturing facilities in any province in the world are actually in Hyderabad and Telangana. The second largest number is in New Jersey. So that goes to show you the importance of India's role in the pharmaceutical life sciences spectrum, and most importantly, how important a role Hyderabad and Telangana plays in that value chain. Now, going back to your question about how the manufacturing ecosystem has evolved over the last several decades, I think we've done okay. I wouldn't say we've done well. I think we've done reasonably well. But I think a lot more needs to be accomplished. You know, one thing I believe, besides what you said, innovation, infrastructure and innovation, while these are extremely important pieces to talk about, I think a conducive ecosystem which nurtures, conducive regulatory framework which nurtures and encourages innovation and research and development by way of even incentivizing them is something that is sorely missing in India, unfortunately. And the second thing, unfortunately, we don't think on scale. In fact, if we have to compete with the best manufacturing destinations, biggest manufacturing destinations across the world, we need to start thinking on scale. In fact, Hyderabad and Telangana, we are launching world's largest pharma cluster in about 19,000 acres. I think that is when it will become a project of international importance, not just national importance. So we need to think on scale. We need to have more conducive governance towards innovation and,